Maulana Rumi Rahmatullah Alai was once asked, which music sounds are considered haram in Islam? Maulana Rumi Rahmatullah Alai replied, the sound of the spoons playing in the pots of the rich, which are heard by the poor and hungry. Don't you think this picture depicts exactly the saying? No mirror, no mirror can reflect a picture of a human as best as his attitude and way of speaking does. Yes, this was quoted by Imam Ali alayhi salam. Be an enemy to the oppressors and a helper to the oppressed. Yes, Imam Ali alayhi salam says, be an enemy to the oppressors and a helper to the oppressed. The death of the ego, the death of the ego will be the beginning of your real life. Yes, if you see this picture very carefully, you will understand what is ego and what is real life. When the student is ready, the teacher appears. You must have heard this a number of times. Yes, what it means is when the ego dies, the soul awakens. Yes, when the ego dies, the soul awakens. In fact, the ego is a veil between human and God. Yes, his or her ego is a veil between human and God. That is himself and God or herself and God. Ibn Arabi Rahmatullah Alai emphasized the unity of being. All beings are in reality manifestations of God's attributes. If God alone really is, the all ways ultimately lead to Him. The three C's of life: choices, chances, changes. You must make the choice to take a chance if you want anything in life to change. Take that step, seek the truth, and you shall find it. Your purpose of life in this world. Your nafs, the ego, the self, is your battlefield. Therefore, if you prevail over it, you will have more power over the nafs of others. And if you lose in it, you will have less power over the nafs of others. Therefore, first try fighting it. Without love, all worship is a burden, all dancing is a chore, and all music is mere noise. Every leaf that grows will tell you what you sow will bear fruit. So, if you have any sense, my friend, don't plant anything but love. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think. It's not enough to go to church, mosque, synagogue, say two prayers, and declare yourself righteous man. Look for God in the streets, among the oppressed, among the poor, among the evicted, among the foodless, among the homeless. I'm most sure you will find Him there. Amongst the hungry, the orphans, the last, because at the end of our lives, we will be asked not how faithful we were, how credible have we been. The heart will not be sound if it is envious, proud, and arrogant. The Prophet ﷺ has made it a condition for Iman that one loves for his brother that which he loves for himself. You know, the body is only an instrument for the spirit. Oversharing is how you leak the energy. Privacy is protection. Stop telling people more than what they need to know. The less you reveal, the more people can wonder. Forget attention. Move in silence. Destruction has noise, but creation is quiet. This is the power of silence. Grow silently. Live peacefully. Life is an echo. What you send out comes back. What you sow you reap. What you give, you get. What you see in others exists in you. Do not judge, so you will not be judged. Radiate and give love, and love will come back to you.